Every serious gamer eventually faces the same desk clutter problem. Headphones taking up valuable space, cables tangled everywhere, and a setup that looks messy even when it's clean. The RGB Gaming Headphones Stand solves all these issues while adding a serious style upgrade to your battle station. This isn't just another plastic accessory. It's a functional centerpiece that transforms your desk organization and aesthetics in one sleek package. Let's talk about those 10 light modes first, because this is where the stand truly shines, literally. With customizable RGB effects that sync with your gaming setup, you can match your keyboard, mouse, and PC lighting for a cohesive look that screams professional gamer. The lighting is vibrant and evenly diffused, avoiding that cheap LED strip look that plagues budget accessories. Whether you want a breathing effect, color cycle, or static color to match your theme, the options are all there at the press of a button. But the real genius is in the functionality. Those two built-in USB ports are absolute game changers. Now you can charge your phone, connect a wireless mouse dongle, or plug in a USB drive without reaching behind your PC tower. It's a small convenience that saves dozens of daily reach-arounds and makes your desk infinitely more practical. The non-slip rubber base ensures rock-solid stability even with heavy premium headsets, preventing annoying tip-overs that can damage expensive gear. Universal compatibility means this stand works with any headphones. Massive over-ear gaming headsets, sleek AirPods Max, or studio-grade monitoring headphones all fit perfectly. The sturdy construction holds up to 2 pounds without flexing, while the smooth finish protects your headset's headband from scratches and deformation. Assembly takes literally 30 seconds. Just plug in a USB cable for power, and you're ready to go. At this price point, you're getting a premium desk upgrade that makes your setup look more intentional and extends the life of your valuable headphones by preventing cable strain and accidental drops. It also makes an incredible gift, perfect for husbands who game, kids with messy desks, or boyfriends who appreciate tech aesthetics. The combination of practical organization, stunning RGB effects, and USB convenience makes this one of the smartest desk accessories you can add in 2025.